Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. The library is going to be closed January 19th and 20th for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Well, it's a new year with new things. One of the new things is the 2025 Rogers Reads Reading Challenge. You can register with our new reading challenge software called Beanstack to get started. Find it on our website. Search Rogers Public Library on Beanstack, or you can follow the link that's in the description of this video. Children's programs have resumed. There's been some changes, and we're introducing a new program called Puzzle Club, and that one will meet on Wednesdays at 4. Now, the changes are Full Steam Ahead, and that meets Mondays at 4. Catch 'em All at the Library meets Tuesdays at 4. Hands-On will meet on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. And Baby Playtime will meet on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Okay, another one is Stitch Together. And it's going to be moving to the third Saturday of each month, and it starts at 10 a.m. January 18th will be the first part of a 5-part series on learning how to crochet. We recommend you bring your own supplies that you're comfortable with, but if you don't have it, yarn, hooks, and stitch markers will be available in limited quantity for attendees. This program is for adults and teens. I also want to tell you about the second Tuesday Lunch and Learn, and it's on January 14th at noon. This month's program is the Ozarks, Outdoors and Pictures. Flip Putoff, who is the outdoor reporter and photographer for the Northwest Arkansas Democrat-Gazette, will have photos featuring Ozark scenes and outdoor activities. He'll also discuss the outdoor section of the newspaper and highlight the valuable information it offers. So bring your lunch, and as always, beverages and desserts will be provided. On Saturday, January 25th, the Symphony of Northwest Arkansas will be here. So come enjoy and experience a live music and storytelling with this family-friendly event. Registration is required due to available seating. The teens will learn the fundamentals of 2D animation on Saturday, February 1st at 12 p.m. This program also requires registration. There are 2 e-resources you should take a look at. One is Pronunciator, which is a language learning platform with step-by-step lesson plans. This resource is provided through the Traveler Statewide Resource Project. The other e-resource is Teen Book Cloud. It's a collection of middle and high school graphic novels, enhanced novels, ebooks, classic literature, nonfiction, and audiobooks. You'll find both of these resources in the Quick Links section and also on the eMedia page of our website. As a reminder, the library building is not fully open. We are currently serving the community from the lobby, presenting programs in the Friends of the RPL Community Room, and offering a huge selection of online resources. Staff is also available to assist you with material selection. You may call us at 479-621-1152, visit our support hub to chat with staff, or send us an email. So till next time, be happy and safe. Bye.